In this video, we will find the stationary point of the curve y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3 and also determine the nature of it. So, in order to find the stationary point, first we will take the derivative of this curve. So, dy by dx is equal to the derivative of x square minus 4x plus 3. So, dy by dx is equal to, we will apply derivative on each term. So, we have d by dx of x square minus d by dx of 4x plus d by dx of 3. Now the derivative of x square is 2 times x minus derivative of 4x is 4 and the derivative of 3 is 0. So the first derivative dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 4. And for a stationary point, we will take dy by dx is equal to 0. So 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. And then x is equal to 4 upon 2. So the value of x is 2. Now we put the value of x in the curve. So we will get the value of y, and the curve is y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. Now put the value of x, which is 2, over here. So we have 2 square minus 4 times 2 plus 3. And then we have 4 minus 8 plus 3. So the value of y is minus 1. So the stationary point is equal to 2 comma minus 1. Now we will find the nature of this stationary point, and for this we have to take the second derivative of the curve. The first derivative is equal to 2x minus 4. So the second derivative d square by dx square is equal to the derivative of d by dx of dy by dx. So here we put 2x minus 4. Now the derivative of x is 1. So the derivative of 2x is 2 and the derivative of minus 4 is 0. So the second derivative is equal to 2, which is greater than 0. And if the second derivative is positive, then the stationary point is a minimum point. So the nature of the stationary point is the minimum point.